The value error often appears in spreadsheets using wrong data type. In this simple table, sum formula performs really basic addition, but in the last row, text is added to a number, which is impossible. Replace text with a number and the correct value shows up. In the next row, the number is locked in parentheses. Remove them to get the formula working. Similar problem is in the next row, where you can see a mixture of number and USD currency as text symbols. Remove the letters to avoid errors and set value format as currency. Another example is converting dates with date value formula from March 1 to month, day, year format. However, if you change March 1 to March 1st, value error appears. The spreadsheet does not recognize it as date. In this example, len formula counts amount of characters in passages, but if you want to count it for all passages, it's value error again. Some spreadsheet formulas like len do not support arrays as parameters. In general, value error means that cell content is not compatible with the calculation. Follow OnlyOffice on YouTube to explore more about spreadsheets.